Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be an unbagging video. I have to say I'm somewhat distressed that this came in a bag, because this is a bag, and I do not think that bags should ever come in bags. Bags should come in boxes. So this came from Amazon, and when I say Amazon, that could mean a lot of different things. Amazon could be an individual seller. So as a buyer, you really need to take the time and look to see who is selling the item. For me, I am comfortable with buying on Amazon so long as it's an item that is backed by Amazon. And the way that I can tell that generally is by looking to see if Prime delivery is offered. So with Amazon, you kind of have to watch out for individual sellers. And if you do happen to buy from one, that's okay. My dad sells on Amazon because we have some family genealogy books that he sells. And he's a reputable seller. There are lots of them out there that aren't backed by Amazon. But if they are backed by Amazon, then they are generally a Prime delivery and a free return type situation. This is one of those. And not only that, this bag was sold by 6pm.com. If you didn't know it, 6pm.com is actually like an outlet for Zappos, and both are owned by Amazon. So buying this from Amazon is actually buying this from Amazon. Without further ado, I'm going to open it up. And since it's in unbagging, I don't need my ceramic knife. It did come factory wrapped. This bag is supposedly a overseas bag, meaning that not every place here in the States got it. I do not believe that this was sold at Coach retail locations, but I do think that it was and still is being sold at some department stores because I did find it on Belk. However, it was much cheaper on Amazon through 6pm. So I'm going to go ahead and open her up. This may be my latest obsession. When I got my puffy field tote, and then I had my failed attempts at getting the Marc Jacobs Mini, the tote bag, I kind of shifted directions because I really like the Field Tote 22. Isn't it beautiful to watch all of that just fall away? She's in beautiful condition. She's maybe a little bit bumpy right here, but that'll all just go away. I don't see any defects in the leather, maybe a dent here and a dent there a little bit. If they would have put it in a bag, it would have just been much nicer, because you can see it did get a little dented up by the packaging. But no worries, it's pebble leather. Pebble leather is pretty forgiving. Smells delicious. Well, like leather. I don't generally eat leather, so maybe delicious isn't the right term. But this is the color Rouge Multi. This color is Rouge. They made a Rogue in the Rouge color. It was considered a buy it now Rogue, and Coach generally uses chrome tanning for their leather. The buy it now Rogue was considered a vegetable tanned leather, which is better for the environment. So I actually did have that briefly. I went ahead and sold it because the Rogue 25, and any Rogue for that matter, except for the shoulder style, is just not my cup of tea. But this little bag is, and the reason is because it gets smaller up at the top, which I really like. And it's lightweight. It doesn't have the center compartment, and I just love the color combination. What can I say? I like Coach brass. I've had Coach bags for years and years, and the brass holds up extremely well. Yep, she's a cutie. She's a keeper, I think. Hey guys, it's future me, and I did that unboxing really fast. I didn't even unwrap it all the way. I was actually kind of planning on going back afterwards and unboxing it and doing an insert of a try on of the bag, and I don't think I'm going to do that because I don't think I'm going to keep it, and this is why. I think it's an adorable bag. But I have a bag called a Marleigh 20, and it's actually a Coach sample bag from the 1941 collection. If you haven't seen my video on my 3 Marleigh 20s, of which now I have 4, but initially my video had 3, I'll link it below. But that bag is almost the same color as this bag. And I wouldn't order a bag like this with the intention of returning it. I really thought I would keep it, but looking at my Marleigh 20, I really think that if I was going to choose between the two, I would choose the Marleigh 20 first. And that's not to say I don't love the field tote, but the field tote that I have, the puffy one, I feel like it is so different from, let's say for example, my taupe and, well, it's actually called Beechwood and Ivory Marleigh 20, that I see those for different purposes, but for this, I don't necessarily see them as being as different. So I think I'm going to return it because I have a lot of bags and I don't need redundancy in my collection, or I guess I should say I don't need more redundancy in my collection. But I did want to, I was going to not do this video and not go ahead and publish it, but since I did talk about Amazon and I also showed you the bag, I thought, you know, you might want to see it because it's a good deal. It's marked down, it's not on sale anywhere else, and it is beautiful in terms of the color combination. So I'm going to go ahead and edit this and post it for you, and I hope you enjoy it. And perhaps I will get a different color combination of this bag in the future, maybe sooner than we might imagine, and then again after that, you never know. So I'm headed to a track meet, and so I'm gonna let you go back to regular programming. Bye. So that's my quick unboxing of the Coach Badge Field Tote 22 in the Rouge Multi, an option you may not have seen. The one that was most popular here in the States was the Candy Pink Multi, and it had candy pink here, but then it had like a wine-colored suede on the side, and then the trim was wine too, so don't get this one mixed up with that. This one is much more muted here. The candy pink is like a bright bubblegum type pink. So there you go. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I'm Erin, the Handbag Housewife. And I look forward to seeing you again in a video real soon when I reveal the winner of the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Stay tuned. Bye.